Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install StbEmu on your Amazon Fire Stick. So first you will go to settings, then go to my Fire TV, click on it, go to about, then we will need to click on Fire TV Stick 4K 7 times to enable the developer mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then go back once and click on developer options, click on ADB debugging to activate it, click on apps from unknown sources, then click on turn on, then go back to the main menu, go to App Store, and we will go to search, then look for downloader. Downloader is an app which will allow us to install StbEmu. So I can already see downloader among the suggestions. I will just click on it. I will again click on this icon, downloader. Then click on download. Click on OK. Wait for the app to get installed. Then click on open, click on allow, click on OK, and here we will need to type this URL. I will put it on the video so that you can pause the video and type it. The URL is firesticktricks.com/stbe. So Firestick tricks .com/stbe. Then click on go. Once you have typed the complete URL, click on go, and you will need to wait for the app to get installed. It might take some time. So it has been installed. Click on install. Then click on open. And now the app has been installed on my Fire Stick. You will need a portal link to get this app working. So you can buy the portal link from the website that you can find in the first comment of this video. You can also find this website in the description of this video.